Hi students, this is Gina from the library. I wanted to talk to you today about library support for your next assignment in Professor Gill's class on researching Africa. You'll notice that you're looking at the library research guide that we put together for this course. And on the left-hand margin, there's buttons for you to navigate. And we have made two sections for this assignment: background information and keywords, and research articles. You can also navigate just using the button at the bottom of each page. Now, if you look at the landing page, right up front we have some information on how to contact us. You can email us directly, or use the Canvas inbox, or you can use the Ask a Librarian link. And that you can use it anytime, and we will follow up as soon as possible. And of course, most of our library collections are available 24/7. All you have to do is just log in with your web advisor or Canvas username and password, and that's how you can access them. Now, back to the first section on background information. We can look at the background information by clicking on these blue links, and they will take you to some background information we've already found for you on apartheid in South Africa. Then the second part is to identify keywords. And this is what you will pull out as you're reading some of this background information. We've also identified some of the keywords that help you navigate through the search engines to get this information. So now I'm going to go to the next page to actually find articles. So you'll see what we have here is we've listed the library databases that will be helpful for you to find information on this subject matter. And basically we have 3 that we've put together on each of these tabs. And the key is to watch the video tutorial first on each tab. And once the tutorial will review how to search effectively in that search engine, in that database, and then you use your keywords and combining your keywords in each database to search effectively. These videos will definitely demonstrate how to do that. And they also will help you demonstrate how to narrow down or filter your results list once you start searching. And those limiters will be on the left side margin as you are in the database itself. Okay, so remember, you can contact us anytime using the Ask a Librarian link. And we wish you good luck. Take care.